It is seen that Marcus is sleeping happily on the bed and there are also many worms on the bed, and then Marcus suddenly wakes up in fear and live worms are moving on the bed, and then it is seen that Marcus has worm bite marks on his neck, and it is not confirmed whether these are worm bite marks or some other insect bite marks, and worms are seen everywhere in the house, and it is not known whether these worms come from in the house, and then Marcus goes to Lucas to wake Lucas up, and it is seen that Lucas also has bite marks on his back, and Lucas has no idea what has happened, and then Marcus takes a picture of Lucas' back and shows it to Lucas, and Lucas also gets worried about what has happened to my back, and Lucas is also feeling some allergic reaction, and then a bug is seen in Lucas' room, and it is a bug like a cockroach, and Lucas tries to get the bug out of the room, and Lucas and Marcus wonder where so many insects have come from in the house, and then Lucas and Marcus try to get all the bugs out of the house, and Lucas feels very itchy on his back, and Lucas thinks that maybe the insect have come inside the house due to the change in weather, and Lucas and Marcus get almost all the bugs out of the house, and then Marcus tries to put the worms in the cup, and Marcus feels strange touches the worms and sees many bugs outside the house, and Lucas is afraid that there may be bugs and worms in other places in the house, and Lucas tries to check every corner of the house well, and he definitely sees a bug in every corner of the house, and then Lucas checks in the bathroom too, and Lucas and Marcus see a lot of worms on the bed, and all the worms are live and moving, and Marcus does not understand what the insect and bugs are doing in the house and where they came from, and Marcus was sleeping happily among these worms, and then Marcus picks up a worm in his hand, and Marcus feels very strange, and Marcus is thinking how to get so many worms out of the house, and Lucas is afraid that the bugs and worms will bite them again while sleeping, and then Lucas also sees some insects near the window in the house which are crickets. Then Lucas and Marcus go inside the pool house and also see a lot of bugs in the pool house, and these bugs are so numerous that it is difficult to step on the ground, and Lucas gets very worried that seeing so many bugs and insects, and it becomes difficult for Lucas and Marcus to live in this house, and Lucas and Marcus are thinking about moving out of this